I'm Marriette, a local guide here in Berlin, and I am going to be showing you some of the best things about Christmas markets. In Germany, we have about 3,000 Christmas markets dotted around the country. Usually the cities have about 40, but here in Berlin, kind of special, kind of impressive, we've got about 70 Christmas markets, okay? And they tend to be in the sites of historical buildings. So there's one at Charlottenburg Palace, there's one here at Alexanderplatz, there's also one in the old Jewish quarter. But then we have some that just pop up for one weekend. We've also seen over the years then a changing landscape when it comes to Christmas markets. They're evolving. We've got an LGBTQ Christmas market. We've also got a Christmas market that focuses on sustainability. So it's really kind of evolving, which is pretty cool. One of my favorite Christmas decorations is the nutcracker. Now the nutcracker was invented first of all in the 17th century in a small town called Zypern. And at first they were definitely functional, okay, to literally crack nuts, but now they're much more decorative, gorgeous things that gained a lot of popularity after the Second World War when US soldiers took them back home as a bit of a souvenir from their time in Germany, in Nazi Germany. The tradition of Christmas trees started in the 16th century, Germany, Latvia, Estonia, and we had again those German Lutherans bringing in an evergreen tree, decorating it with paper roses, with apples, and then we've got that connection to Adam and Eve with that, and then also decorating the Christmas tree with wafers. So this was also to symbolize Holy Communion. Okay, so very religious, also about brightening up the space in the winter, pretty depressing in the winter months back then. So they were bringing that life into the house. In the 1870s, these gained a huge popularity all across Europe as Queen Victoria's Christmas tree was illustrated in a British newspaper, and it showed the many glass baubles that she had on it because she was married to Prince Albert, who had German heritage. So one of the lesser known traditions, something that didn't really spread so much, is the Weihnachts pyramid, the Christmas pyramid. Gorgeous wooden pyramid that rotates with the heat from the candles that are lit in the base of it. So gorgeous little thing. Lots of Germans have these in their homes. There's a small version. This is a pretty big version that we've got here in the Christmas market. One of people's favorite things to drink at the Christmas markets is of course Glühwein, which is mulled wine. So usually a red wine that has been mulled with star anise, vanilla, sugar, cinnamon, citrus, making it a very tasty warm treat. Now that's very important. The Christmas market's super cold. Beer is not very popular right now, so we have Glühwein. Now the name Glühwein, it basically means glow wine, and that is because it used to be heated on a fire with the hot irons of the fire giving off a glow, so glow wine. Something very typical, very tasty here at the Christmas markets is gingerbread, also known as Lebkuchen in German. Very tasty, usually covered in dark chocolate or with almonds. As you see here, little pieces, or little gingerbread houses, so also from the story Hansel and Gretel. And traditionally, it dates back to the 13th century when Franconian monks, that's a region in the south of Germany, they used to ferment honey-sweetened bread, and then they would make it into gingerbread. So that was the Christmas markets. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Marriette. Thanks for watching.